Welcome back to our science revision classes. So students, once again, this is Archana, your science teacher. And in this video, we revise our block 3, that is knowing microorganisms. In this block, we discuss about microorganisms and viruses and their different groups. Then we discuss about types of bacteria, and after that we discuss our practice questions. So students, what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are very living organisms that cannot be seen by our naked eyes. हम उसको अपनी naked eyes से नहीं देख सकते हैं. Clear? Microorganisms can be unicellular or multicellular, and they also require food, air, and water to live. Some of them produce their own food, and some cannot make their own food. They all depend on others. Clear? And they are categorized into 5 different groups. They are algae, fungi, bacteria, protozoa, and virus. Clear? And if we are talking about viruses, viruses are living thing as well as नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ये दोनों ही होते हैं. अगर ये किसी होस्ट की बॉडी के अंदर एंटर कर जाते हैं सो दे आर लिविंग थिंग्स, लेकिन अगर ये किसी बॉडी के बाहर है सो दे आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग. जैसे अगर अभी बात करते हो कोविड-19 की, सो वो दोनों ही है, लिविंग थिंग भी है और नॉन लिविंग थिंग भी है. अगर बॉडी से बाहर है सो इट इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग, अगर बॉडी के अंदर एंटर कर जाता है सो इट इज डेड लिविंग, एंड इट इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द body. It damage all the healthy cells and it gives various types of diseases to the body. Clear? Next is algae and fungi. Algae and fungi, they are microorganisms. Unicellular algae are found in fresh water and multicellular algae are found in seawater. Fungi can be unicellular or multicellular organisms that have the characteristics of both plants and animals. Algae make their own food, but fungi eat dead organic waste, and the study of algae is known as psychology. The study of fungi is called mycology. Clear? And viruses are also categorized into different 5 groups, that is bacteriophage, psychophage, mycophage, zoophage, and phytophage. Clear? Bacteriophage is bacteria virus, psychophage is algae virus, mycophage is fungi virus, zoophage is animal virus, and phytophage is plant virus. Clear? And this is the structure of virus, and this is the cell structure of Chlamydomonas. Clear? One more thing students, आपके चैप्टर में जितने भी डायग्राम्स हैं आप उसकी प्रैक्टिस जरूर करोगे. Clear? And the basics, this is the basic structure of yeast. Chlamydomonas is a single cell green alga. It is spherical or oval in shape. The cell is surrounded by a cell wall, a nucleus, and a chloroplast. There are 2 flagellas at the narrow end of the cell which are used in its movement. Flagellas जो होते हैं वो किसी भी microorganisms की movement में help करते हैं. Clear? And yeast is a unicellular saprophytic fungus. The cell is oval shaped and contains a nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, and mitochondria. Both have similar cell structure, but they both differ in their food habits. Algae make its own food. Yeast eat dead organic matter. And what are lichens? Lichens are made of fungus and an alga. The fungus and the alga benefit from living together. दोनों के बीच में म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड symbiotic relationship. Alga produce food through photosynthesis and the fungus gathers water. This help both fungus and alga, such a relationship called symbiosis. Understand? Now there are bacteria and protozoa. Bacteria are single cell microorganisms that can have different shapes and size. Bacteria multiply rapidly and some produce toxic substances also, which are very harmful to humans and causes diseases. Some bacteria are harmful to the humans and some bacteria are useful. Study of bacteria is called bacteriology, and the cell structure of bacteria, it is, the main components are cell wall, control center, capsule, flagella, fimbrage, cytoplasm. Clear? Cell wall क्या होती है? The cell wall gives the bacterium its shapes such as sphere, rod, spiral, and controls what enters and leaves the cell. This is the diagram or cell structure of bacteria. आपको ये हर diagram properly इसकी practice करनी है, आपके exams में जरूर आ सकता है. Clear? Then control center contains the DNA which controls all the cell activity. Capsule is the cell protective covering and helps to protect the bacteria. Flagella is a long tail-like structure that help the bacteria to move or swim. This is flagellum. ये movement में help करते हैं. Fimbrage, it is also as pili, the short hair-like structure that help the bacteria to stick to each other. एक दूसरे के साथ वो चिपक के रह सकते हैं, stick रह सकते हैं, other or attached to a surface. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance inside the cell where chemical reactions occur. Clear? And protozoa are single cell microorganisms. They are called heterotrophs because they depend on other organisms for their food. And there are different types of bacteria are also Bacterial shapes help scientists identify which bacterial infection is patient has. Bacteria divided into groups based on the number and arrangements of flagella. For example, cocci are divided into three groups. The first one is Staphylococcus, bacteria found in clusters, and bacteria found in chains, they are called Streptococcus, and bacteria found in pairs, they are known as Diplodococci. ठीक है? This is the example. This is a diagram of rod-shaped bacilli, spiral or corkscrew spirillum, comma-shaped embryo. Clear? And bacteria are also divided into groups based on their structure also. Clear? For example, without any flagella, they are called एट्रिकोस. सो आप ये टेबल को भी याद करोगे एंड दिस डायग्राम इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ वी डिस्कस अवर PQs. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वन ऑफ दीज कैन बी सीन विदाउट अ माइक्रोस्कोप? सो द आंसर इज fungi. And the next question, you have to write that how are microorganisms classified? So microorganisms can be classified based on the structural differences. The third question, you have to write that why is virus referred to as poison? So virus can be very harmful as once inside a host body, it reproduces rapidly and it destroys healthy cells and causing many diseases. Understand? And in the fourth question, you have to write that dash functions similarly to plants in producing their own food. So the right answer is algae. And in the fifth question, you have to write that how do algae help aquatic animals? So during photosynthesis, algae produces sugars and oxygen. They eat the sugar and release the oxygen into the water, which is used by aquatic animals for breathing. And aquatic animals breathing के लिए इस oxygen को use करते हैं. Clear? And in the seventh question, you have to write that. In the sixth question, you have to write that how are fungi useful for us? So fungi are used in making antibiotics like penicillin, and some varieties of fungi can also be eaten as food. Understand? And in the seventh question, you have to write that dash protects the bacteria from the attack of white blood cells in humans. So the right answer is cytoplasm. And in the eighth question, how are bacteria able to attach to other bacteria? So bacteria have hair-like structures that is called pili that help them to attach themselves to other bacteria. And in the ninth question, you have to write that why are protozoa known as heterotrophs? So protozoa can live in fresh water, salt water, and even in soil. That is why they are called heterotrophs. Clear? And in the 10th question, you have to write that why are microorganisms divided into different groups? So organisms are divided into different groups so that their structures can be understood easily. Also having them in groups helps to diagnose certain illness better. Clear? So students, one more thing, आप इस ब्लॉक की जो प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन है वो हमारी प्रीवियस वीडियोस को देख के जरूर इसको समझोगे. Clear? So students, this is all about of this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.